What would happen to Earth if the sun disappeared for 1 second? Would Earth's journey come to an end, or would it transform into something entirely new? Let's explore this fascinating topic in today's video. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth because light travels at 2.998 times 10 centimeters per second, and the average distance between the sun and Earth is 1.496 times 10 minus 1 meters. If the sun disappeared for 1 second, Earth wouldn't go dark immediately, as the light already on its way would still reach us. After 1 second, the light would return. The sun's gravitational force keeps Earth in its orbit. According to Newton's law of gravitation, F equals gmm2 bar r squared. If the sun disappeared for 1 second, Earth would move in a straight line, drifting about 30 kilometers from its orbit because Earth's orbital speed is roughly 30 kilometers per second. Once the sun reappeared, Earth would return to its original orbit. The solar wind, consisting of protons and electrons, would also stop for 1 second, temporarily affecting Earth's magnetic field and halting the auroras. Earth's temperature wouldn't change immediately due to thermal inertia. The atmosphere and oceans retain heat. However, if the sun disappeared for a longer time, Earth's temperature would gradually drop, reaching minus 18 degrees within a week, creating ice age-like conditions. Photosynthesis would stop, disrupting the food chain, and life on Earth would face extinction. Even Earth's climate system would undergo drastic changes. Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere could rise because plants wouldn't be able to absorb it. So if the sun disappeared for just 1 second, Earth wouldn't experience any major immediate effects. But it reminds us of the sun's critical role in sustaining life. Without the sun, Earth wouldn't just be a cold, dark planet. It would be a lifeless one. The sun isn't just a star, it's the foundation of our existence.